Hello friends, this is Virendra Singh Tekam. I do welcome from Abhyas Academy of Science. Okay, in last video we have seen that the formulas for tenses. Okay, there are 12 types of tenses we have seen. Okay, and according to the formula, now we are going to construct the sentence. So let's check out how we make the sentence according to the formula. I hope so. In last video, what we have seen, you guys have understood nicely, and you all are doing the practice for also. So today we are going to see the construction, actual construction according to the tenses, according to the formulas. Okay, so let's take an example for, let's see first, number one, that's called simple present tense. Simple present tense, and the formula is subject plus V1 plus object. This is the formula. Okay, so we take the support of formula. Okay, so we'll see through Hindi to English. Okay, I'll make the sentence in Hindi and we will convert into English according to the formula. Okay, suppose I'll write मैं रोज क्लास को जाता हूँ। मैं रोज क्लास को जाता हूँ। ये सेंटेंस मैंने लिखा है, ये वाक्य मैंने लिखा है। ओके, मैं रोज क्लास को जाता हूँ। नाउ दिस सेंटेंस वी विल कन्वर्ट इनटू इंग्लिश अकॉर्डिंग टू द फॉर्मूला. ओके, आई go to the class daily. I go to the class daily. So this is the sentence what we have converted from Hindi to English. This is simple present tense. Now how this sentence comes into simple present tense we can identify. इसे हम पता लगा सकते हैं, ऐसे हम मालूम कर सकते हैं कि ये सेंटेंस कैसे simple present tense में हुआ. So I is subject, go is a verb, it is in first form, and to till daily it considered as an object. So according to the formula we have proved the sentence that how it has done. So this is the thing, this is the way how we construct the sentence according to the formula. Okay, so formulas are very important. Now students, you have to learn the formulas, you have to by heart the formulas, so you'll find it easy to understand. So let's check out another one. Okay, if I say, let's take a name, किसी का नाम लेते हैं. Okay, अजय मेरे घर आता है. अजय मेरे घर आता है, ये सेंटेंस मैंने हिंदी में लिखा है. ओके, सो इसे हम इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू द फॉर्मूला, फॉर्मूले के हिसाब से. ओके, लेट्स चेक आउट. अजय इज अ नेम. अजय comes. Okay, so according to the rule, what we have done, according to the golden rule, if the sentence is starting from name, now Ajay is a name, it's a name of a person, so consider as a proper noun. Okay, so Ajay नाम है, तो नाम है इसलिए एक्शन वर्ब में s और es लगाया जाएगा. So Ajay comes at my house. Ajay comes at my house. Okay, Ajay मेरे घर आता है. We have done the translation, we have done the conversation according to the formula. So Ajay is a subject, comes is a action verb, It is in first form. Actually, it is in fifth form. but we will consider as a first form because our formulas are made that. Okay, so Ajay is subject, comes is an action verb, and at my house it's considered as an object. So again here we have proved according to the formula that our sentence has made correct. Okay, so like this we construct the sentence. Let's check out one more. Let's take another pronoun like we. तो पहले हिंदी में देखते हैं उसे. हम रोज पढ़ाई करते हैं. हम रोज पढ़ाई करते हैं. ये सेंटेंस मैंने लिखा है. ओके, वी विल सी इन इंग्लिश. ओके, सो हियर आल्सो वी विल मेक द सेंटेंस अकॉर्डिंग टू द फॉर्मूला. सो मेक इट लाइक हम, वी स्टडी डेली. ओके, वी स्टडी डेली. हम रोज पढ़ाई करते हैं. सो बी इज अ सब्जेक्ट, स्टडी इज अ एक्शन वर्ब, इट इज इन फर्स्ट फॉर्म, एंड डेली इज अ ऑब्जेक्ट. सो हियर आल्सो वी हैव प्रूव्ड द सेंटेंस, राइट? वी स्टडी डेली. हम रोज पढ़ाई करते हैं. तो इस प्रकार सेंटेंस बनाए जाएंगे, इस प्रकार वाक्य बनाए जाएंगे फॉर्मूले के हिसाब से. ओके, हमें सेंटेंस फॉर्मूले के हिसाब से ही बनाना है, बिकॉज इफ वी ट्राई टू मेक इट without formula then definitely our sentence will go wrong. So this is a simple present tense how we have to make the sentence. Okay, now we will move to present continuous tense. Okay, so let's check out present continuous tense. Number 2, present continuous tense. Okay, formula we have, guys. The formula is, make it over here, subject plus M is R plus V4. Okay, I'll make it over here. Things are not coming. So let's check out down. Subject plus M is R plus V4 plus object. Okay, present continuous tense में जो helping verbs use किए जाते हैं, जो helping verbs लगाए जाते हैं, वो M is R. And definitely the fourth form of action verb here. So जब तक fourth form action verb नहीं आएगा तो हमारा sentence continuous tense में नहीं जाएगा. Okay, so let's check out the examples. Through the examples we will see in Hindi first. Okay, if I say मैं तुम्हारे पास आ रहा हूं. मैं तुम्हारे पास आ रहा हूं. ये सेंटेंस मैंने हिंदी में लिखा है. ओके, नाउ वी विल मेक इट इनटू इंग्लिश. ओके, मैं तुम्हारे पास आ रहा हूं. सो वी विल मेक इट इनटू इंग्लिश अकॉर्डिंग टू द फॉर्मूला. आई एम coming towards you, or we can make it like I am coming to you or I am coming towards you. Okay, मैं तुम्हारे पास आ रहा हूँ. So देख लेते हैं हमारा सेंटेंस करेक्ट है कि नहीं है अकॉर्डिंग टू द फॉर्मूला. So I is a subject, M is a helping verb, coming is a fourth form of action verb. and towards till you we consider as an object. So यहाँ पर हमने देख लिया हमारा सेंटेंस फॉर्मूले के हिसाब से बिल्कुल करेक्ट है. So I am coming towards you. Let's check out another one. Okay. दूसरा देख लेते हैं. राज घर पर सो रहा है. राज घर पर सो रहा है या राज घर में सो रहा है. So we make it into English. Raj is sleeping at home. Raj is sleeping at home. Raj घर पर सो रहा है. Okay, so we have made the sentence in English. Okay, according to the formula. Let's check out one more time. Our sentence is correct or not. So Raj is a subject. Is a helping verb. Sleeping is a action verb. It is in fourth form. Until at home we consider as an object. So here one more time we have proved that our sentence is absolutely correct. Okay. So like this guys we have to make the sentence. इस प्रकार से वाक्य हमें बनाना है. Okay. So this is present continuous tense. Now check it out. Present perfect tense. We will see how we can deal with the things. Okay, so I'll start with present perfect tense. इसका फॉर्मूला है subject plus had oblique has plus V3 plus object. Okay, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस पूर्ण वर्तमान काल जिसे बोलते हैं. उसका फॉर्मूला है सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैव प्लस वी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. नाउ हैव और हैज व्हेन वी हैव टू यूज हैव और व्हेन वी हैव टू यूज हैज वी विल सी अकॉर्डिंग टू द गोल्डन रूल. सपोज इफ आई स्टार्ट विद आई यू वी दे देन डेफिनेटली वी विल यूज हैव, and if I start with he she it name then we will use has plus v3. The third form of action verb has to come. Okay, तो पहले सेंटेंस देख लेते हैं हिंदी में. How we do that? वह स्कूल जा वह स्कूल जा चुकी है. वह स्कूल जा चुकी है या वह स्कूल को जा चुकी है. सो वी विल ट्राई इनटू इंग्लिश. शी हैज गॉन टू स्कूल. She has gone to school. वह स्कूल जा चुकी है. Okay, she has gone to school. We have seen over here, right? So according to the sentence, our sentence is correct or not. We can check through the formula. So she is a subject, has is a helping verb. Now gone is a action verb. It is in third form, and to school we consider as an object. Okay. So यहाँ पर has है, has helping verb होगा. मैं पहले ही बताया था मैंने when I introduced about the helping verbs कि have has had consider as an helping verbs also, modal auxiliary verbs also, action verbs also, but it depends on the situation. यहाँ पर has के बाद में action verb है. We have the action verb and definitely you guys you will get in the third form. हमेशा तीसरे फॉर्म में action verb रहेगा. तो have और has और had हमारे लिए helping verb होगा. So here we have proved. So let's check out one more sentence. एक और sentence देखते हैं. Okay, so let's take a name. नीलेश घर पहुंच चुका है. नीलेश घर पहुंच चुका है. We will see in English how we can construct. Okay, नीलेश घर पहुंच चुका है. So we write नीलेश has reached at home. नीलेश has reached at home. नीलेश घर पहुंच चुका है. नीलेश has reached at home. So नीलेश is a subject, has is a helping verb, and reached is an action verb. It is in third form, and at home is a object. So here also we have proved that our sentence is absolutely correct. Okay, so in this way we can make the sentence. Okay, and we can identify the sentence through the formulas. So let's check out another things. I hope so that you are getting the things. I hope so that you are understanding the sentence, how we are going to make or how we have to construct the sentence according to the formulas. Here one thing I want to say, my dear friends, that without formulas it is impossible to make the sentence, and if you try to make it, then definitely a sentence will go wrong. Okay, so let's check out another thing, that's called present perfect continuous tense. We will see that. Present perfect continuous tense. Okay, जैसे हिंदी में बोला जाता है पूर्ण निरंतर वर्तमान काल. Okay, so formula is there. Subject plus have, has plus been plus before plus since oblique for plus object. So this is the formula. Subject plus have, has plus been plus before plus since for plus object. Since for का use होगा नहीं होगा, we will talk later. If you don't get the time, if you don't get the place, if you don't get the exact time or month or years, then we don't use since or for. Okay, so let's check out the example. If I write things, we will see in Hindi first. Okay, मैं नागपुर में कई वर्षों से रह रहा हूँ. मैं नागपुर में कई वर्षों से रह रहा हूँ. So we'll make it like मैं नागपुर में कई वर्षों से रह रहा हूँ. So we'll try to make it in Hindi. Sorry, English. So I have been living in Nagpur for a long time. So I have been living in Nagpur for a long time. Here I have written for. I have used for. Why? Because we don't have exact time. We don't have exact years. That's why we can say that. Okay, we can use for. When we know the time, when we know the years, then we will use since. Okay, like मैं नागपुर में 25 वर्षों से रह रहा हूँ. So I have been living in Nagpur since 25 years. We can say that. When we don't know, then we will use for. Okay. So like this we can make that. Okay. So this is the way how we deal with the sentence. Our sentence is correct or not, we can check it. Like I is a subject, have is a helping verb, and being we take it as a supporting helping verb. Okay. Living is a fourth form of action verb, and in Nagpur till we consider as an object. So here we have done with the things, right? Like this we can make the sentence. इस प्रकार sentence बनाए जाते हैं according to the formula. I hope so that you are understanding. Okay, this is the way how we have deal with the present perfect continuous tense, right? Exactly. We can talk about past tense. Okay, let's check out for past tense. So first we will see that simple past tense. We have the formula for that: subject plus V2 plus object. Okay, subject plus V2 plus object. This is the formula, simple past tense. You will see the sentence in Hindi first. Okay, I'll start from मैं स्कूल पहुंच गया. मैं स्कूल पहुंच गया. Okay, मैं स्कूल पहुंच गया. We will see in English. So I reached at school. मैं स्कूल पहुंच गया. I reached at school. So here I is the subject, reached is the second form. It is in V2. At school is an object. So here I reached to school. Friends, when I was explaining about forms of verb, before that I have told you there are two varieties of action verb. One is called regular, another is called irregular. Okay, so here reached is a irregular. Reached is a regular verb because we add over here ed. That's why whenever we get ed in the action verb, that's considered as a regular verb. Okay. So one more sentence we will see for simple past tense. Okay. So let's check out. वह परीक्षा में पास हो गई. वह परीक्षा में पास हो गई. Okay, I have written a sentence in Hindi. वह परीक्षा में पास हो गई. Okay, we'll see in English. She passed in the examination. She passed in the examination, or she passed in exam. We can write. So she is a subject, passed is an action verb. It is in second form, and from in till examination it considered as an object. So here also we have proved according to the formula that our sentence is getting absolutely correct. So whenever we make the sentence, make sure that your sentence has to construct it according to the formula. Okay, so here we have done with the formula. So let's check out another, that's called past continuous tense. Okay, so Today only we see how to construct the sentence according to formula. Okay, so you will get a better idea that how we have to for the further grammar sections, right? We have a lot of grammar sections like, so before that tenses comes. So let's check out past, continuous tense. So we have formula for that. So we look the formula: subject plus was oblique where plus before plus object. This is the formula: subject plus was where plus before plus object. So let's check out the example number 1 in Hindi. Okay. Arjun लिख रहा था. Very simple. Arjun लिख रहा था. Okay, we see in English. Arjun was writing. Arjun was writing. Arjun लिख रहा था. Arjun was writing. Arjun is a subject. Was is a helping verb, and writing is a action verb. It is in fourth form. Okay. Arjun लिख रहा था. Arjun was writing. In this sentence, we don't have object. Okay. It doesn't matter like when sometimes we get the object, sometimes we don't get the object, but we have a accurate construction. We have a formula: subject plus helping verb plus object. Okay, subject plus helping verb plus verb, the fourth form of action verb before, and object. Okay, so let's check out the another one. Mahesh कार चला रहा था. महेश कार चला रहा था. We will see that महेश कार चला रहा था. We will see in English. Okay, so Mahesh was driving the car. Mahesh was driving the car. Mahesh कार चला रहा था. Mahesh was driving the car. So Mahesh is a subject, was is a helping verb, and driving is an action verb. It is in fourth form. The car we consider as an object. So here also we have proved that how a sentence has constructed according to the formula. So Mahesh was driving the car. Exactly same things happens when we talk about like past perfect tense. Okay, let's check out. Hope so that you are understanding the construction according to the formula. Again, I want to tell you this is very important because without construction, without tenses, we cannot move for the further grammar sections. So friends, we are seeing sentence constructions according to the formula. Now we will check out past perfect tense. Past perfect tense, we have the formula: subject plus had plus V3 plus object. It's quite easy. Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Okay, so here we'll see the sentence according to the formula. First we will see in Hindi. Okay, if I write वह वह मुंबई पहुंच चुका था। वह मुंबई पहुंच चुका था। इसलिए हो गया वह मुंबई पहुंच चुका था। So we'll make it into past perfect tense. So he had reached. He had reached to Mumbai. He had reached to Mumbai, or we can say he had reached at Mumbai. So our sentence is correct or not, we can see through the formula. So he is a subject, had is a helping verb, and reached is a action verb. It is in third form, and to Mumbai we consider as an object. So here one more time I have to explain about had. Okay, now the position of a had comes बिफोर द एक्शन वर्ब। ओके, हमारे हैड की जो पोजीशन है वो एक्शन वर्ब के पहले है, और यहाँ पर जो एक्शन वर्ब है वो थर्ड फॉर्म में है, इसलिए ये जो हैड है ये हमारे लिए हेल्पिंग वर्ब होगा। whenever we get the position of a had before the action verb, before the third form of action verb, definitely that had will become our helping verb. So according to the formula we have proved that our sentence is absolutely correct. Okay, so let's check out one more. एक और देखते हैं. Okay, कार्तिक अपना कार्य पूरा कर चुका था। कार्तिक अपना कार्य पूरा कर चुका था। Now this sentence I have written on the board in Hindi. कार्तिक अपना कार्य पूरा कर चुका था. We can make it into English according to the formula. We have the formula subject plus had plus V3 plus subject. So we'll try to make it. Okay. So कार्तिक had completed. Karthik had completed his work. Karthik had completed his work. कार्तिक अपना कार्य कर चुका था. कार्तिक अपना कार्य पूरा कर चुका था. Karthik had completed his work. Our sentence is correct or not, we can check through the formula. So Karthik is a subject, had is a helping verb, and completed is a third form of action verb, and his work we consider as a object. So friends, here the sentence has to construct according to the formula only. Okay, so here also the position of a had considered as an helping verb because we have action verb over here. So like this we can construct the sentence for past perfect tense. So like this we can make the construction for another tenses like past perfect continuous tense. Then we can talk about future tense, simple future tense. Then we can make it the sentence for simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense. Okay, we will see that also. Okay, so let's move on past perfect continuous tense. So check out past perfect continuous tense. Formula is there. Okay, so that is called subject plus had plus been plus V4 plus since or for plus object Okay, I have told you the treatment for sense of verb. So you see that. Okay, if I write the sentence in Hindi, so you see that. Okay, let's take in another name. We talk about like they. So वे दो घंटे से वे 2 घंटे से हमारा इंतजार कर रहे थे। वे 2 घंटे से हमारा इंतजार कर रहे थे। I have written a sentence in Hindi. वे 2 घंटे से हमारा इंतजार कर रहे थे। We can make it in English. How? According to the formula. So they had waiting for us since 2 hours. They had, sorry, I don't use over here been, okay, so we make it like been. They had been waiting for us since 2 hours. Okay, like this we can make the sentence. They had been waiting for us since 2 hours. So this is the constructions how we can make according to the formula. Okay, so this is the way how we deal with the construction, how we deal with the formulas. Okay, so hope so that you are understanding the things. Hope so that you are getting the things nicely. According to the formula only we construct the sentence. Otherwise definitely our sentence will go wrong. बिना फॉर्मूले के अगर सेंटेंस हम बनाएंगे तो हमारा सेंटेंस डेफिनेटली गलत होगा। इस बात का पूरा ध्यान रखें। सो मैंने अभी जितना भी एक्सप्लेन किया है आपको अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा। सो स्टूडेंट्स, यू डू प्रैक्टिस एट होम। ओके, यू सिट विद द पेन एंड पेपर। अर्लियर आई टोल्ड यू, अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, विदाउट राइटिंग, विदाउट analyzing, without considering, you won't understand the things. So it's better you do the practice by sitting by your own. Okay, and like this, like for the constructions you can make it by your own. So this is quite enough for today. Okay, so in my next video we will talk more about the next grammar. We have a lot of grammar, so we'll talk about the basic grammar for that, right? So till then, take care and thank you so much.